Hello guys, so this is quick tutorial to boost your PUBG Mobile FPS. The first thing you need is called Performance Tweaker. It's similar to kernel Adwaiter, but seems that doesn't support my phone. So it needs root. So just go to Performance Tweaker. Yeah, if you didn't want this, just can use kernel Adwaiter. And next app is the most people use this. I use PUBG GFX, but you can use anything GFX tool because this one didn't support my phone. So back again with the first app, just go and select the minimum frequency of your CPU to the highest, or like what I'm doing. Depending on your phone, maybe doesn't support, but doing good my phone. And the GPU frequency, I set it to the minimum to the highest because it seems that it just keep going back to default as I'm choosing this or any other low than that. So the next app is PUBG GFX. Just do the same as always. You guys know if you have done so. Yeah, you can click apply, and I think that's all. Thanks for watching.